A certificate of second chance is a order from the judge in your court case that says that you have been rehabilitated in the eyes of the court, and that the court is going to go ahead and recognize that rehabilitation and is going to sign off an order that you have been granted a certificate of second chance. Legally speaking, it's a court document. It shows the public, it shows potential employers, potential people that you have to work with. It shows to them that you've made a mistake in the past, but the court and the judge has deemed that you are worthy of a second chance. And it also shields potential employers from any liability for hiring you. So this is an important step for employers when they're considering whether to hire somebody. If they're on the fence about it, sometimes having a certificate of second chance might give that employer enough of a comfort level to go ahead and hire you. So the certificate of second chance, that is also fairly new law. That only went into effect about a year or two ago, right before the case sealing law. What we like to do at our firm is if someone comes to us with a criminal conviction, we do the whole process for them to get the case record cleared up. What I mean by that is we won't just file a petition to get their case sealed. We will go ahead and file a petition to get their case set aside, get a certificate of second chance, and then get their case sealed. So you want this like trifecta of things. You want to go ahead and get the case set aside so it's legally dismissed. You want to give a certificate of second chance so that you can demonstrate to a future employer that you've been rehabilitated. And then you want to get the case sealed so that it's not just available to anybody in the general public to see your past. We don't want that out there. So we do all three things. When someone comes to us, we want to get their criminal record cleared up, we do all three things. The other thing too to keep in mind is that these things have different timelines. So you could get your case set aside right away. You get a certificate of second chance after a few years, and then you get your case sealed after that. So you might be eligible to get your case set aside, but it hasn't been enough time to get your case sealed. That's okay. You need to start somewhere, and it's a good thing to get your case set aside first, even if you're not eligible yet because of time, get your case sealed. Because when it does come time to get your case sealed, you've demonstrated to the court that you've already got it set aside, you've already gotten a certificate of second chance. It just shows the court that you're still on this journey to get your record cleared and move on and rehabilitate your life. So I would tell people, if you're eligible to get your case set aside now, but you're not eligible to get it sealed yet, go ahead and get it set aside. And then that puts you on the right path to getting your record cleared up.